like your smile. Thank you for always being the happy, yuppie, lucky puppies. And Sneezy. Puppies that we love so much. Opa! Is what a pro wrestling practice? Did unofficial fuwamoco world tour breaking dimensions? She sneezed a lot. Sinus is clear. Thanks for the update, Moco-chan. You're welcome. Well, she shared it right, and of course a lot of Noasagi would go out and oh wow. And a lot of them voted for Picora, whether she was gonna win. But then she was voted out. Not voted out, lost. She lost. On Sunday, we're gonna be going back to our Fuwamoco Minecraft journey, continuing on, and Moco-chan's about to sneeze. And that will be at a regular time at 6 p.m. PT. But last time we had a lot of fun with the chicken dungeon. Kind of finished it, but there's still more things I'd like to add.